Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the VI text editor in Linux. So VI text editor is the default text editor that comes with Linux installations. Here in my Linux Ubuntu, I'm going to do a VI notes.txt to open a notes file that I have. So after you open the Linux text editor, there are some modes in the VI editor, one of which is the insert mode and another is the command mode. So whenever you open the VI editor at first, the first mode you enter into is the command mode. Right now we are in the command mode, and to add any text in the file, you need to hit on I to enter into the insert mode. So I want to write another line. So I've just added another line of text into my file called notes.txt. So to enter into the command mode, I just need to click on an escape key. As you can see, the I here disappears, which indicates that you are in the command mode. So to save this file right now, type colon and W. W saves this file, and then it tells you that you have 118 bytes. And the name of the file is note.txt, and there are 5 lines. This saves my file, and to quit this file now, I can hit on colon and then Q, which saves the file. So when I cut the content of this file now, you see that the recent change that I just added, which is the 5th line, reflects to the content of the file. So keep in mind that you can use the VI command to create a new file or edit an existing file. So when I ls now, you see that I have two files right now in the project directory. So to create a new file using the vi command, I can type in vi file.txt. So as you can see now, the vi and then new name of the file creates a new file for me. So I can just type in the column and then exit without saving. So let's VI into our notes.txt file. So to delete the last line of this file, all I need to do is to make sure that I'm in the command mode, and then I type in the letter twice. Then delete the line where my cursor is at the moment. So to undo what I just did now, I just click on the letter U. It stands for undo, and then it undoes the deletion that I just did. So to copy a specific line, what I need to do is to make sure that I'm in the command mode, and then I type Y twice, and then all I need to do is to paste this line that I just copied. I can type in P. So P now is in the 5th line that I just copied, and then I can paste it as many times as I want. So there are two variations of paste. You can paste above your cursor or below the cursor. But first of all, let's learn how to navigate within this file. So the letter K helps me move between lines, helps me move up, move above, and then letter J helps me move down every line of the file. So to move to the end of a specific file, or to move to the left, I can use the letter L, and then to move to the right, I use letter H. So to move to the end of a specific file, I need to type the $sign. $sign takes me to the end of the file, to the end of the lines, to the end of the current line that I'm on. And then to go to the beginning of the line, I just click on 0. 0 takes me to the beginning of the line. So to save and exit, there are 2 ways to save and exit a file. You can either use the colon and then say X, which will help you save and exit the file, or you can you can say WQ, which stands for write and then quit. Write and quit helps you save and then quit the file. I do this, I say enter, and then you see we get out of the VI editor mode. So when I cut the notes.txt file, you see that all the lines that I've added have been written to the file. So let's open our file once more. So I'm going to add some new lines to this file just so that I can can make some changes to this file now. So what if you want to do a save as operation? So what you need to do is to go into the command mode first, and then type in colon W and the new file name. So as you can see, the new name of this file now is a new file name, the txt, which has 8 lines and then 137 bytes. So let's save and exit and do an ls. You see you have a new file, and then we have our previous file, which is not the txt. So to check the difference between these two files, the new file and the not.txt file, you can use the diff command and then provide the two files you want to check the difference for. So the difference is just these two new lines that I've just added in the new file .txt. So let's go back into our notes.txt. So if you notice, you see that there are tilde signs that indicates that there is there is no content on these lines. So what if you want to add numbers to every line? To do that, just simply go into the command mode and then type in the colon and say set and u, which helps you set numbers to each file. As you can see, there are now numbers to every line. So that brings me to the end of this tutorials on the basics of the VI text editor. If you like this video, please do well to like the video and then subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.